Introducing the new WirelessAir, our most advanced dual-path onboard air compressor system ever. The WirelessAir system comes with a newly redesigned wireless handheld controller. With the second generation of WirelessAir, we also offer an exclusive mobile app that duplicates the functionality of the controller. The mobile app is available to download for free from the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Just search for Airlift WirelessAir. In this video, we will go over the basic usage of both the controller and the mobile app. Let's begin with the wireless controller. The controller comes without the battery installed. Before pairing the controller to the manifold, install the battery included with the kit into the controller. To initiate pairing mode on the manifold, remove the fuse, wait 5 seconds, and reinstall the fuse. The manifold will enter pairing mode for 5 minutes after the fuse is installed. Use the up and down arrow buttons to navigate the pairing menu and select the device that matches the manifold's serial number. Press the center button to begin the pairing process. Once the wireless controller is connected to the manifold, it will automatically connect each time the manifold is active and the controller is woken up. The controller will dim after 10 seconds, and the display will turn off after 30 seconds. After 1 minute, the controller will go into sleep mode, at which point it will disconnect from the system. Simply press the center button to wake up the controller and reconnect it to the system. Once the controller is connected to a manifold, it will display the home screen. Here you will see the signal strength in the upper left-hand corner. The large numbers on each side indicate the target air pressures, while the smaller numbers below represent the current air pressures. Use the left and right arrows to select a side to adjust the pressure. The arrow on the screen shows which side is currently being adjusted. Use the up and down arrows to increase or decrease the pressure in increments of 1 psi. Maximum pressure depends on the air springs being used. Consult your user guide for more information on your specific air springs. You can save up to 3 presets with the wireless controller. To save a preset, first set the pressure to the desired level. Then, determine if you would like to save this either under preset 1, 2, or 3. Press and hold the corresponding button for 3 seconds to save the preset. The icon in the lower left portion of the screen indicates which preset is currently active. To enter the main menu, press and hold the center button for 5 seconds. Under the Settings menu, you will find 4 submenus. Units, where you can choose either PSI or bar. Screen brightness. Compressor duty cycle, which should not be set higher than the compressor specifics. And finally, airbag type, where you can select your corresponding airbag setup. This will automatically limit the maximum operating pressure. The troubleshooting menu on the main menu will show you any system error messages. For error message specifics and descriptions, please see your WirelessAir user guide. Now, we will go over the functionality of the free mobile app. Similarly to connecting with the controller, you will need to put the manifold in pairing mode by removing the fuse, waiting 5 seconds, and reconnecting the fuse. If no connected manifold is detected, the app will automatically go to the Devices screen. Click on the device that you want to pair. Your manifold will have WirelessAir in the name. Once the mobile app and manifold are paired, it will connect automatically each time the manifold is active and the phone is in range. The WirelessAir manifold can pair with up to 4 mobile devices, but only 1 device can be connected at a time. To connect an additional device, first disconnect the current device. There is no limit to the number of manifolds 1 mobile device can pair with. Once the app is connected to the manifold, the user interface screen will appear. When the app is open to the user interface, it will show the desired pressure. You can press the up or down arrows to raise or lower the pressure in increments of 1 psi. Press the large up or down arrows in the middle to inflate or deflate both springs simultaneously. You can also click on the air pressure number to manually enter a desired pressure. On the bottom of the screen, you will see 3 preset options. The app must be connected to the manifold in order to change presets. Presets are stored in the manifold, so changes in the app will also affect the wireless controller and vice versa. Click on the gear symbol next to the preset you wish to adjust. Select the name or pressure value you wish to change and make the desired adjustment. Click Accept to save the preset, or Cancel to close the preset screen. In the upper navigation bar, you will find the Settings menu, which contains a few options: Devices, Troubleshoot, which will display any system error messages, Settings, and Update Firmware. In the Settings menu, you will find Pressure Control Units, Prevent Lock Screen, which stops the mobile device screen from going to sleep while the app is open, Compressor Duty Cycle, and Airbag Type. All of these menu options mirror those found in the wireless controller. The mobile app also includes an online help section in the menu, which will link the user to airliftcompany.com. Use the Done button to go back to the user interface. The mobile app features Airlift's firmware over-the-air technology, which ensures your WirelessAir system is always up to date with the latest updates and enhancements. The system comes with Airlift's exclusive 60-day guarantee. If you're not satisfied for any reason, return your system within 60 days for a full refund, no questions asked. Rule the air with the second generation of WirelessAir from Airlift. If you don't know Airlift, you know squat.